Now that we know what the general parts of the hardware are called, it's time to delve into software, starting with the basics of Windows. If you're a Mac user, I'll have another episode for you and cover your basics there. I'm going to assume all the Windows users are using Windows 10. If you're still using Windows 7 or Vista, it's time to start looking at an upgrade. If you're running Windows XP, it's probably time for a new computer. Starting from when the computer is first turned on, we often see a bunch of things flash by as the computer turns itself on and gets started. This is called POST, the power on self-test. When the computer sets up the BIOS, the basic input-output system, and then boots up. All going well, 99.99% of the time, this just flicks by and Windows starts. If it does have a problem at this point, then you're going to have to watch another video that will eventually be linked above here to get it fixed. Once Windows boots, you will either arrive at the login screen or the desktop. The login screen is used if multiple people use the computer and want to have their own separate files and settings, or if you have a password on the computer. Let's be honest here, that password is not real security. If someone is serious about getting to your stuff, it's unlikely to stop them. It will likely keep casual viewers out, but like a car door lock, it won't stop someone who's serious. If you're the only user and there is no password, the computer will boot straight to the desktop. Okay, let's have a look around and start with naming a few things. First up is the desktop. This takes up most of the screen and is covered by the desktop background or wallpaper. On top of the wallpaper are the desktop icons, a collection of programs as well as sometimes a few or a lot of documents. In the bottom left corner we have the Start button, which when clicked or when you press the Start key on the keyboard, pops up the Start menu. Beside this is the Search or Cortana button, and then the Task View button. This corner will have its own episode in the next few weeks. Following on from the Task View button is the Taskbar, a dual-purpose area which shows both your favourite apps and also any currently running applications, denoted by a line underneath them. The active program is shown by a slightly shaded box covering its icon. To the right of the taskbar is the System Tray area, which displays a collection of system as well as third-party icons, denoting assorted utilities running on the PC. Many of them tucked away behind the Show Hidden Icons menu. The most visible of these are frequently networking, volume control, the system date and time, and the notification icon. Just to the right of the notification icon is a little known tiny blank sliver that allows you to minimize all of your apps at once and quickly see the desktop. Okay, that was just a quick overview so that you now know what things are called. Hope it was useful. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to help you feel comfortable with your computer. We're here to guide you each step of the way so you can be comfortable with your technology and make the best use of it. We release new videos every weekend and would love you to subscribe. If you have a question or a comment, just pop it in the comments below. I'm here to assist you. Thanks so much for watching.